I started volunteering at Mom in 2000 after my family and I moved to the Middleton area from Milwaukee. I felt like it was an important thing for me to get involved in the community, and Mom seemed like a great place to volunteer. I ended up becoming a member of the board of directors in 2004 as a representative from the Asbury Church and quickly moved into the treasurer's position. It became clear to me back in 2006 that Mom needed more financial staff. The person that was doing the work was coming in after a full-time job and working 4 hours a week, and Mom just needed someone who could pay more attention to the finances. As we were growing, it became more important that we know where our money's coming from and where our money's going. So I came on staff in 2007 and have been working in-house here at Mom since 2007. My responsibilities really include working with the budget and making sure that all of the staff know how much money they have available to spend on their programs. And I work on the donor side, looking at the money that's coming in so that, of course, we know what's available to spend. And I find it very rewarding working here at Mom and knowing that I'm making a valuable contribution to the Middleton community.